Good morning. For math today, we are on lesson 18. So this is pretty straightforward with measuring. Measure the lines in inches and centimeters, round the measurements to the nearest inch or centimeter. So you'll just measure the line from start to finish, write centimeters and inches at the bottom of the page. Did you use more inches or more centimeters when measuring the lines above? So which had the higher numbers, and then write a sentence to explain why you used more centimeters or why you used more inches. The second page of the problem set, draw lines with the measurements below. So it gives you 3 centimeters. It wants you to draw that, and it wants you to draw 3 inches. 7, Thomas and Chris both measured the crayon below but came up with different answers. Explain why both answers are correct. Thomas measured 8 centimeters for the crayon and Chris measured 3 inches. You're supposed to tell me why they are both right. The homework, I would like you to submit the first page right here. It's questions 1 through 4. So you'll measure the line in inches and centimeters and write how many inches and centimeters each line is. The second page of the homework, they give you the measurements and you draw the line. Reach out to me if you have any questions. Have a great day.